best way for kids to learn coding? Like these, or these. What about this one? NEXTMAKER Box, monthly coding and making projects for curious kids. Every month, you will receive a magic box. It contains magic. No, it's not magic, it is coding. It helps kids create their own magic. Just like manipulate snow like Elsa, push the car with your unknown force, make the tumblers dance with you, or let lights dance to the tune of your ukulele. But we all know coding is not the end, because we don't need to turn everyone into a programmer. The point is to solve problems and create things using modern technologies. Yes, modern technology, like AI, IoT, data science, etc. With NEXTMAKER Box, kids can create things that are far beyond your imagination. Like this, IR rangefinder. See who brought you a Christmas gift.
Wow, Santa's coming!
Smart trash bin. Control via speech recognition. Smart storytelling box. Turn your drawings into stories.
Creatures in the sea.
Ball picker. Build a gamepad-controlled robot and start a robot war with your friends. And the coolest thing is, kids can put together the parts or hardware from different boxes to create unique combinations. Can you imagine what they will create?
But is it hard to learn?
Don't worry. We've designed an online learning system that is intuitive and kids-friendly. It has fun animations and step-by-step instructions. See? Oh, don't worry about kids making errors while programming. The system will check their code and display pro tips for correcting the errors. Even kids with no prior coding experiences can easily get started. They can develop confidence, creativity, and problem-solving skills, which are essential for them to become future creators. So, who creates NEXTMAKER Box? It's MakeBlock. MakeBlock has 8 years of experience in developing STEAM education products. They won a lot of awards. Products are sold to over 140 countries. MakeBlock has over 15 million users globally, and the number continues to grow. NEXTMAKER Box teaches kids the coolest technologies with a variety of materials, programmable electronics, carefully designed PBL projects, and intuitive learning system. The development for this product lasted for 2 years, and we've already designed 100+ projects. We tested them all with 2,000+ kids and received positive feedback. Try NEXTMAKER Box. Open a new window for your kids.